If you're using Windows 11, the apps that you might use can make all the difference. My name is Sadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can fix Windows 11 apps not opening or running properly. Well, the first thing that we're going to do is to update our apps. Easiest way of doing this is to simply open up the Microsoft Store, and once it opens up, we're going to head over to the library section, or rather the downloads section, and then you will see a get updates button right here. As soon as you click on it, Microsoft Store will now go ahead and search for all the apps on your PC that need an update and will present them to you. If the app that you're facing the problem with is in that list, go ahead and update it and then simply restart your PC before trying the app again, and it should fix your problem. If that doesn't work out for you, the next thing we're going to do is to reset or repair the app in question. Now, to do this, press Windows key plus X and head over to the installed app section in the quick access menu. And now in this list that appears, we're going to find the app that's causing this problem for us. So let's say Countdown Plus. Go all the way to the right side, click on More Options, and then click on Advanced Options. Do keep in mind that these options will only be available for apps that you've installed through the Microsoft Store. Once you're in the Advanced Options menu, scroll all the way down and you will see the Repair and Reset buttons. First, go ahead and try to repair the app. A bar like this will appear, and then once the repair is complete, you will see a check mark. This should fix the problem. If it doesn't, go ahead and completely reset it. Do keep in mind that the app's data will be deleted, so if you have any login credentials or any data saved in the app, that will also be cleared out for good and you may have to log in again. The next solution is to try and reset the Windows Store cache. Now, this is a very simple thing. Then you can do it with one PowerShell or command prompt command. Just press the Windows key and search for command prompt. Once command prompt appears, go ahead to the right side and then click on Run as Administrator and give it the permissions that it needs. Now, in here, we are going to type in wsreset.exe and press Enter. This will reset the Microsoft Store, and then you can go ahead and update your apps or download them again by uninstalling them first. If that doesn't fix your problem either, it's time that we take a look at some Windows services. Now, press the Windows key and search for Services. Click on the first option that appears, and now you will be presented with a big list of services that's available on your system. What you need to do is check whether or not the application identity service is running. So as you can see, this is a trigger start and it only runs when an application triggers it, but you can double click on it and go ahead and click the start button to start this manually. Alternatively, we also need to make sure that the Windows update service is running. So if you go all the way down to W where the Windows update services are, it's right here. So as you can see, this is also a manually triggered service, but it is running, and that's what you have to make sure. Once again, you can double click it and click on the start button to get the service to run. Once both of these services are running, try relaunching your app and it should get the issue fixed. Another thing that you can try is to run an SFC command. Now this can simply be run by firing up the command prompt. And then once you're in the command prompt window, you can type in sfc/scan now and press enter. Make sure you have an internet connection when you're doing this, just so SFC can access the internet and Microsoft servers to download any missing or corrupt files that it finds on your system and replace them to get your installation working again. Last but not least, this could also be caused by an issue with the Windows Update, and you can fix this by running the Windows Update troubleshooter. So press the start menu and search for troubleshoot settings. The first option that appears, we're going to click on that. In here, click on other troubleshooters and you will see the Windows Update troubleshooter right here. Go all the way to the other side and then click on the run button to run this troubleshooter. As you can see, the troubleshooter has started, so it will ask you a few basic questions just to get the gist of what's wrong with your system, and it will try and find the best possible solutions automatically. And once you're done with the troubleshooter running, it should really be able to find and fix the problem. If you like this video, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such videos can we make for you. If you'd like to know more about tech, visit our website Candid.Technology, follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.